Will the Wage and Hour Division revisit its liquidated damages policies? In recent news, the Wage and Hour Division of the United States Department of Labor has made headlines with a significant policy change. The question on many people's minds is whether the Wage and Hour Division will revisit its liquidated damages policies. If you are an employer or an employee concerned about wage and hour laws, this update is particularly relevant for you. On June 27, 2025, the Wage and Hour Division issued a field assistance bulletin that indicates a shift in enforcement practices. This change is effective immediately, meaning that the Department of Labor staff will no longer seek liquidated damages during pre-litigation wage and hour investigations. This marks a notable departure from past practices where liquidated damages were routinely pursued alongside back wages. Liquidated damages are typically an amount equal to unpaid wages that serve as a penalty for violations. The new policy means that, during administrative investigations, the Department of Labor will focus on recovering unpaid wages without automatically seeking those liquidated damages. However, it is essential to note that this policy change applies only to the Department of Labor's internal enforcement actions. It does not affect liquidated damages claims in private lawsuits under the Fair Labor Standards Act. The reasoning behind this policy update seems to reflect a recalibration of enforcement priorities. It may also be a response to changing legal and political factors that influence wage and hour enforcement. Employers and practitioners in labor and employment law should closely monitor how this new policy is implemented moving forward. As this change unfolds, many are left wondering how it will impact future investigations and claims. Employers may find themselves in a different position regarding potential liabilities. Employees, on the other hand, might be concerned about their rights and the recovery of unpaid wages. In short, the Wage and Hour Division has indeed revisited its liquidated damages policies as of mid-2025. This decision to not pursue liquidated damages in administrative wage hour investigations represents a significant change in enforcement practices within labor law. As developments continue, staying informed will be crucial for both employers and employees alike.